Hey, dog fans. We're here in Amsterdam. We're behind the Heineken experience in the gigantic market. So we're going to just wander through, take a bunch of photos, eat a bunch of food, and just check it all out. So, on three, go dogs. 1, 2, 3, go dogs.
Everybody who knows Amsterdam knows the Cuyp Market. The market originated in 1905 and is one of the favourite locations for locals, tourists, students, day trippers and entrepreneurs. You can experience authentic Amsterdam atmosphere, humour and gezelligheid in the streets. There is no marketplace like the Cuyp Market, which is the biggest market of Europe. The market is open 6 days per week and is home to 260 market stalls. Come and enjoy the real Amsterdam atmosphere and surprise yourself with the rich supply of fresh vegetables, fruits, accessories, clothes, flowers and beautiful fabrics. Don't forget to grab a real Dutch treat, like a fresh herring or a hot stroopwafel. A trip to the Cuyp is a guarantee for great products and an even better day. The Cuyp Market is located in one of the most popular areas of Amsterdam in the heart of De Pijp, a vibrant 19th century neighbourhood, also known as the Latin Quartier. De Pijp is a popular residential area and has evolved to one of the most lively areas of Amsterdam. Artisan shops, creative entrepreneurs, exotic locations, cosy cafes and quality pubs can be found in De Pijp. This makes it a neighbourhood with character. No matter what you're in the mood for, De Pijp has got just the thing. It is a perfect place for locals, students, tourists and day hoppers to meet. De Pijp offers a rich way of enjoying the Dutch culture. A trip to Amsterdam is not complete without visiting the Cuyp Market.
And I'm waiting for my wife and her friends. They're over there.
Probably they see a lot of things, so
Yeah, they'll just ignore me for hours. We just ate.
not the same interest.
That's right. Yeah, we just ate breakfast, or we would stop here for lunch. It all looks so good.
Yeah, we're here. We make everything fresh, of course.
Oh yeah.
Every day.
How
Every day, of course.
large is this market? I mean, this whole.
Yeah, now you're in the middle, so I don't know where you came from. From there? Or?
Seattle.
Yeah, that's a long way.
Yeah.
But you started here.
Yeah,
that side?
right down there, 1 block.
Oh, okay. So then, if you came from the block on the right, then you have a little bit there. And this is the half, so
Oh,
we are
perfect.
in the middle of the market. So it's a long one.
It is very big.
Today it's not too crowded. I see many empty spaces, but
It's going to rain.
yeah, I hope no. But
Well, it's okay. We're used to rain.
yeah, but we need it also. Eh? They say a couple of weeks ago. One more time. They say we have everything is dry. We need rain, and now we get rain.
Everybody's, climate change is
Yeah. Thank you, lady. Thank you very much. Eh?
a big problem everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. I said it's changed everywhere. So in countries where it's no rain, it's raining now, and the opposite. So
Yeah,
fire,
lots of fires.
yeah,
We had in California, Southern California had
Yeah.
huge fires.
yeah,
And where we live, I live in the Pacific Northwest, Washington State,
yeah.
and it's not Washington D.C., but we're on the left coast. Yeah, I live, in fact, one of our friends lives in Tacoma, and we live north of Seattle.
Yeah.
But we're here on a big tour with the University of Washington, and so the alumni. So we all went on this tour together, and this is our last full day in Amsterdam.
But you do like a tour, like Europe tour or something?
It was a riverboat. We landed in Zurich, then went to Interlaken for 2 days, and then a riverboat from Basel all the way up.
Nice.
It was nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Ate too much.
Yeah, but on holiday, yeah? When you're on holiday,
yes, I know. It's going to take me 3 or 4 months to lose this weight. I'm embarrassed to take a picture right now. You know, I go, oh, where did that?
You have the white, the oversized, eh?
Yeah.
You can wear the oversized.
Yeah,
it looks
extra large. So.
Today you have the AI and stuff, so you can make like this, and then you can be the muscle man. Eh?
Yeah.
It's also possible. Eh? Yeah. I know.
These people are from Indiana.
Huh?
Indiana, the state, right there. Those 3.
Ja. Volgende keer wacht ik op jou.
They were on our cruise as well. You should say, hello, Indiana.
Indiana?
Yeah.
Hello, people from Indiana. Welcome.
Nice to meet you here.
Yeah.
Wow. Small world.
It is a small world.
So, take some wings off, I think.
Well, I may be back. Nice talking to you.
Young man, likewise. I see you when I see you.
All right. Thank you.
Take care. Of course.
Buffalo.
Darling, man.
Isn't that something?
That is really cool.
Did you buy that here? Just a minute ago.
Yeah, I love this kind of. We have a place called Cuyp Market.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Well, I bought one the other day, Frank, because Andrews bugged me to buy one, and then she didn't like it and I didn't like it. It's sitting in my suitcase.
Give it as a gift to someone.
Oh, I could sell it to somebody.
No,
You got
no.
one. Mine is leather, though. Yours?
Yes. No, that's you. That's you.
No, that's
It is. Yeah. That's.
Hey guys. Oh, I like the purple. I love seeing people we know out there.
I know.
You know, that's kind of wild.
Are those what I
What time
think
do
they
you
are,
guys
Charlie?
take off tomorrow?
9.
They were really
1, 2, 3. Okay, I will try it.
You can try, sir.
Thank you.
Are you filming me now?
I am. Is that okay?
That's okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
What are you trying over here?
You making a vlog or no? Is it for yourself or for YouTube?
It's for YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Okay.
The one that you try now is the pistachios with pistachio
Okay.
chocolate in it. Is this one?
Oh,
These are all with chocolate in it. And these are the traditional ones. Those are a little bit less sweet. Those have no chocolate in it. And the
Wow.
prices we have over here, and you can keep them for 3 weeks.
cool. Well, hey, Chris. That's my wife. One would be great.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Are you sure you don't want 5 and take it with you?
Just we're just
You are
getting
very
off
full.
getting off a cruise and we
Yeah.
ate non-stop for 10 days.
Oh, you're on a cruise now.
No, we're done. Today is our last day
Oh, okay.
here,
So
and then we go home.
this is the last stop, Amsterdam.
Last stop,
And then you fly back to?
Seattle.
Okay.
Yeah, you know where Seattle is.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. In the US, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
But and what was the route of the cruise?
I'll film this part. We went from Zurich,
Yeah.
Interlaken for 2 days, then bus to Basel,
Yeah.
and then the Rhine and Mosel, all the way up to here.
Okay. Very nice.
Yes.
And you went with the Holland America line by any chance?
It was the University of Washington,
Yeah.
the school where we all graduated from,
Yeah.
Alumni Association.
Oh, okay.
So we got together, and there's a bunch of us that traveled together with a Husky. You know, we have a mascot. You know, the
Yeah.
University of Washington
Yeah, yeah.
Husky marching band. You know.
Okay.
So I played trumpet, but
Oh, very good.
yeah, I was very good a long time ago.
Okay.
And so we just travel together and enjoy it. And so
Nice.
today is our really only day that we're actually walking around. And
Oh, really?
yeah, because everything else was guided. You know, like
Oh, okay. So
look
this
at
is your.
this castle. Look
Now you
at
have a
this.
little bit of.
Relaxing, having
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah, because my girlfriend over there is her.
Hold on. Okay, watch this. Where'd she go? Oh, wait. Okay.
Her parents also travel very much with the Holland America line, so
Oh, yeah.
they go very often with the cruise, and they did like every route that you can imagine. I think.
Yeah, we were on a
Which one do you like? Do you want the pistachio that you tried?
Yes, that was delicious.
Yeah, I give you a big one, then
Thank
you can
you.
enjoy it.
Like it's $2.50, right?
Yeah, 250. Yes.
Okay.
You want to pay by card or cash? Do I
Apple
need to
Pay.
hold it for you?
Hold that. Okay.
And what's your YouTube channel?
Seadawg. SEADAWG.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. And you want the receipt?
I don't need it.
No. Have a nice day, sir.
Thanks. Yeah, mostly there's marching band things on there, but I'll edit all these videos and
Yeah.
I'll do the travel part of it.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun. And
So when this will be?
well, we get home tomorrow afternoon,
Yeah.
and then it'll probably take me about a day
you will
just to
get
put things.
To edit it and
Yeah,
stuff.
to
Yeah.
start editing, and then
Yeah.
I have to think about how am I going to do this.
Yeah.
Do I want to do it sequentially?
Yeah.
You know, or do I want to just?
Oh, so you
Bits and
made
pieces.
like more videos and then?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I was a video productions teacher.
Oh,
for-
really?
For 44 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and retired. I taught middle school and junior high school.
Yeah.
Grades 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I do the videos for the Husky Marching Band.
Yeah.
I do, not all the videos. I make videos for them so
Okay.
the students can download their videos
Yeah.
and have a memory.
Okay.
Because when I was in band, this wasn't around.
No.
So,
No.
so it was all pretty cool. But this is really neat. Thank you.
No problem. Have a nice
enjoyed-
day and have a nice time in
Oh,
Amsterdam.
Can I ask you to say "Go Dogs"? I'll go 1, 2, 3, and you go Dogs.
Go dogs.
And then do this. That's a
This.
That's a W. And
Yeah, like the
this
West Side
Yeah, like throwing. We call it the dubs. Throw your dubs up. Okay. So I'll go 1, 2, 3. You say go dogs.
Go dogs.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go dogs.
Perfect. All right, have a great. So just so you know, hello, those cannolis, absolutely delicious. So you're here in Amsterdam and you want a cannoli, go to the market and find that guy. It was so good. All right, on 3, go dogs. 1, 2, 3, go dogs.
Very dangerous. This is very dangerous. But you'll find things. All of us. You will find things there. And you'll think,
Hi, John. Hi. You guys having fun?
Your daughters are artistic. You'll
Relatively.
See everything.
We're getting a nice walk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another one. We got a really.
There's a place down there about 3 booths down, cannolis.
Oh yeah.
I got the pistachio cannolis. Oh.
You just had breakfast with you.
I know.
The chicken place was good too. So there's lots
so
of
you've already had lunch.
And I got him to say,
First
go
lunch,
dogs.
maybe. Not second lunch.
He said, I want to know when this is going on YouTube. So he showed me everything. It was like a sales pitch, but it was fun.
Did you buy anything? Very nice.
The cannoli.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
enjoy.
He doesn't have any weight.
Bazinga.
The one that was making me laugh earlier was the Nirvana gear. It's like, you can't buy a Nirvana gear. You don't tear down. From my neck.
Mm.